Hello everyone. Let us understand the key features and benefits of a Toyota self-charging hybrid electric vehicle with the help of this simulator. The vehicle has two power sources, a gasoline engine and a high voltage battery that supplies power to a motor. So there are two motor generators in the vehicle and also an inverter and converter assembly. The first feature is the idling stop function. So whenever the vehicle stops, the engine and the motor stops, and this prevents the wastage of fuel and electrical power. And this helps in contributing to the overall fuel efficiency of the vehicle. The next feature is the EV mode or the electric vehicle mode. So when the vehicle is driven on a slow speed, the power from the HV battery is used by the motor to drive the wheels. The engine remains off, and this helps in increasing the overall fuel efficiency of the vehicle and also gives a quieter drive experience. Next is the self-charging feature of the hybrid electric vehicle. When the vehicle is driven on a constant speed cruising, the power from the engine is used to drive the wheels and also to drive MG1, which generates electricity that is used to charge the HV battery. So this prevents the need for charging the hybrid vehicle from an external power source. Next is the motor assist function. During acceleration, the power from the engine is used to drive the vehicle, and additionally, the power from the HV battery is used to drive the electric motor, which assists the engine to get the additional power. And this gives a quick acceleration and high power output in a hybrid electric vehicle. The next unique feature is the regenerative braking. So during braking, the MG2 acts as a generator which converts the power from the wheels into electricity and charges the HV battery. So this helps in increasing the fuel efficiency and also increases the life of the brake pads. Coming to the high voltage battery, it is designed to last till the lifetime of the vehicle, and it has safety features such as automatic power cutoff if there is any electrical trouble. This prevents the possibility of any electric shock in the vehicle. Thank you.